Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Okay, traders, so I want to share something with you that I'm noticing right now. Are we about to see another spike in inflation in the markets? As you know, we went through a crazy boom with a lot of the commodity prices going nuts and things starting to move. But today, there's been a massive rotation into the oil sector. For some reason, oil is going absolutely bananas, or the oil and gas sector itself. I'm not exactly sure the reasons why. If I actually look at oil, if I go to the USO, this is the USO here. You can see oil is picking up quite nicely where it is now, but nothing really too much. Now, if I look at this from my watch list, if you look at this here, let me actually bring this down to here for a minute. What we're looking at here to the left is sorry about these ticks. These ticks are these are actually the scans that I use to help me identify really good high quality or high probability trades, and then it's up to me to go through these. So I use that if you're interested in how I scan them, in how my trading system is, and then also what these ticks are. These ticks are, again, to help me identify the potentials of having a good setup. So instead of me scanning 500 stocks, I just get to see the ticks, and then I just identify the ticks. So it helps me do all my trading in half an hour per day. Again, if you want to learn more about what I just said there, link in the description, guys. Join my next training. You'll be able to see all the trading system and how I run the scans as well too. It's phenomenal. I love technology. Now, the thing is, guys, is that looking at this here, are we about to see another inflationary spike? So if I look at the top movers today, right? So if I change this here from highest to lowest, all right? So we go from the big movers on the downside. So the top movers on the downside today have been a pretty of a mixed bag, right? Not really much. There's medical services, there's asset management, diagnostics. Looks like there's a few diagnostics there, a few diagnostics sort of selling today. Home furnishing, apparel stores. What have we got? Restaurants, capital markets. So as you can see, right, it's a very, very mixed bag of the industries that are selling today. You've got a few down ticks for potential bearish trades there. Love it. And then, but if I sort it from the highest, so the biggest movers in the S&P 500, and look at the overwhelming movement. And if I actually bring this down even more, let's bring this down even more. The overwhelming, the top sort of, let's have a look at this here. So the biggest movers of basically 3% and above, or 4% and above. The top sort of 17 stocks, most of them, 99% of them, apart from 1 and 2, are, guess what? Oil and gas equipment services, oil and gas equipment services here. You got oil and gas again, oil and gas, steel, oil and gas. So are we about to see, is this the start of another inflationary spike in the commodity sector? And therefore we're starting to see a lot of this sector here starting to spike and starting to see that movement. Even NUE had a bit of a spike today as well too, right? So we're starting to see this whole movement in the oil sector. Not only that, but if you see what's been happening on the commodity side of things, let me just bring this over here. If I bring this, let me actually bring this chart up here. This is all the different commodities that I'm actually watching overall, right? And as you can see that if I look at corn, so this is corn chart here. Look what's happened with corn. Corn had a move up, a bit of a pullback. Are we about to see another move to the upside in corn? What about SILJ, which is soybeans? Soybeans had a nice move up. We got a pullback. Is the pullback done now? And are we about to see another sort of, move to the upside when it comes to soybeans, SILJ? Even wheat, right? I'm actually in wheat myself. I think wheat's got some really good future moving forward, only because it hasn't done much so far compared to the other ones. But wheat, look what wheat's been doing, right? Wheat had a bit of a pullback, and now we're starting to have a very nice move, back up to these prices here. So we're starting to get these movements here. Is this a sign that inflation inflation, we have also this sugar fund one, and obviously, you know, the overall. Oh, I won't get into that. I don't want to confuse the hell out of you. But we're starting to see like what we're seeing here on the commodity sector. And then if I go back to having a look at this overall here, you can see once again, oil and gas and commodities and things are starting to pick up again. Are we about to see another spike in inflation in commodities and also, you know, and also, basically commodities, right? Oil and gas. We're seeing soybeans, corn, wheat. We're seeing this now after a bit of a pullback. We're seeing the spike is a second round of a big inflation just about to hit us. Let me know what you think below, guys. But this may be this rotation we're seeing today may be something. Hey traders, John Howell here. I want you to join my next webinar where you will learn all about trading. You want to learn about trading, right? So come down and join my trading webinar and you're going to learn about trading. On this webinar, you're going to be learning the secret number one. This is the one thing that all successful traders know and do that took me from $250,000 in debt to making a full-time income from trading, and why most traders suck and lose money. If you're losing money right now, you don't know why. Secret number one, you're going to learn exactly why and what to do about it. Secret number two, I'm going to teach you all the details and all the steps to my most powerful trading system on the planet for the last 16 years that gets over a 90% success rate. Wait until you see the system. It's simple. I'm going to break it all down. You're going to learn all the steps. And the beauty is that this works on any market. Stocks, futures, cryptos, options, metals, miners, any market out there. In fact, I'm going to share with you dozens of examples of how it's worked on silver, gold, some of the crypto stocks, using options as well too. Any market out there. You're going to absolutely love this. Wait till you see it. I'm going to break it all down. And also secret number three, I'm going to share with you not only my amazing trading system, but I'm going to show you my amazing and awesome scanning tool that scans over 3,000 markets, stocks, whatever market you want to find the most powerful trades in 30 seconds or less every day. Using this amazing scanning tool allows me to have all my trading done in 30 minutes or less. Once I go through all the stocks and find the trades, boom. And the best thing about this is, guess what? I trade for freedom. When I started trading, I wanted freedom. And not only do I have an amazing, powerful trading system, but now I also have an awesome scanning tool that allows me to find these trades as well too. I'm going to share with you exactly what that is on this webinar. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnslivetraining.com, johnslivetraining.com, or there should be a link around the description. I'm around this page. Go click on the buttons. Click. Join me. I'm so excited to see you on my next webinar. I'm going to share with you all the details. If you're losing money and you're not sure why and you're stuck, secret number one's for you. If you're looking for an amazing trading system, secret number two is for you. And also secret number three, how I can take my trading, have it done in 60 minutes a day so I can go and enjoy my life and have freedom in my life as well. Go to johnslivetraining.com for my free webinar and I'll speak to you real soon.